Please rise for the Mabuhay song.
Blooded Palawenyo, having been born and raised here in the province. She was a consistent scholar and honor student. She graduated as class salutatorian of St. Joseph's College, Quezon City, and class valedictorian of Palawan National School. She finished her doctorate degree in educational administration at this university and the then State Polytechnic College of Palawan, now WPU. She rose from being a classroom teacher at St. Joseph's College, Quezon City, Nolasco High School in Manila, and at Palawan National School to being president of our university. Anywhere she serves, she leaves her mark as she takes her duties and responsibilities seriously, with dedication, with pride and dignity. The provincial government of Palawan recognized her in June 2009 as an outstanding individual in education. Under her leadership, PSU was declared the regional and national winner in the search for sustainable and eco-friendly schools in the Philippines. She is committed to the vision of the University of World-Class Knowledge Center in Palawan for community empowerment towards sustainable development. She has also dedicated during much of her career to ensuring that graduates of the university are capable to compete with peers anywhere through excellent instruction, research, extension, and production services. She is also a very caring and nurturing mother to her children and grandchildren and wife to her husband, Judge Pampilo Salva Sr. On behalf of the 420th NROTC unit, we are proud to have you as our honoree and as our president of this
Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us give our honoree another big round of applause.
At this juncture, a certificate of appreciation from the headquarters Naval Reserve Command will be presented to the Palawan State University. In just a short while, Battalion Operations, and Midshipman Commander Ariel Espanola, First Class, Battalion Supply and Logistics. The Alpha Company Commander, Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Brian Sonny Ortigas, Second Class. Executive Officer, Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Arthur Tristan Turillo, Second Class. First Platoon Leader, Midshipman Lieutenant Junior Grade Gary Nonales, Third Class. Second Platoon Leader, Midshipman Lieutenant Junior Grade Edelito Garganza, Third Class. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the passing of the colors. Bravo Company Commander, Midshipman Lieutenant Commander Rolando Aguirre, Second Class. Executive Officer, Midshipman Lieutenant Commander John Philip Mendez, Second Class. First Platoon Leader, Midshipman Lieutenant Junior Grade James Kenneth D. Luis, 3rd class. And Second Platoon Leader, Midshipman Lieutenant Junior Grade Aris Duay Lungsod, 3rd class. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. This has been your host, PO3rd Hansel Almualias, Philippine